Here's just a sampling of some of what's in store for you. Bring what specific documents with you to court. I'll give them to you and greatly increase your chances of winning. The prosecution hates this on pages 65 to 74. Do this with a simple pencil and make the officer feel like a complete fool on page 152. Find out the importance of reading the back of your ticket and the troubles that can occur if you don't on pages 13 to 14. I tell you exactly what to say when the police officer fails to show up for court to prevent the judge from rescheduling a new court date on page 172. Discover 7 powerful rights the government has given you when fighting your speeding ticket and when you should and shouldn't use them on pages 17 to 19. Discover what the cop is supposed to do during a traffic stop that they never do and how to use it against him in court on pages 34 to 37. Learn when a plea bargain is a good deal for you and when it's not. Beware of prosecutor plea bargains on pages 48 to 51. How to handle a trial when the prosecutor fails to show up. If he fails to show up for court, your case becomes harder to win unless you do this on page 176 to 178. A brilliant way to actually admit to speeding in front of the judge, but not get found guilty. Only admit to speeding in court by doing it this way. Has nothing to do with begging or pleading for mercy on pages 150 to 151. The one thing you should never do in court that the prosecutor may try to get you to do on pages 46 to 47. How to use a little-known law to get a new trial in front of a new judge in the event you are found guilty. They cannot deny you this right on pages 179 to 181. Discover and avoid 3 deadly mistakes people do before court that automatically loses the case for them on pages 43 to 46. How to find fatal flaws on your ticket. 1 in 25 tickets has one, and win your case even before you step foot inside the courtroom on pages 76 to 77. Discover the very first thing you should do when your case is called on page 66. How to use the radar gun's serial number to have it thrown out as evidence on pages 91 to 92. How to beat a radar-enforced speeding ticket within 2 minutes of the start of trial on page 96 to 99. How to beat a laser-enforced speeding ticket each and every single time simply by doing this on pages 125 to 129. How to beat a pace-enforced speeding ticket by asking only one question on pages 133 to 138. How to beat a construction zone speeding ticket by utilizing a virtually unknown law on pages 114 to 120. How to beat a school zone speeding ticket on pages 121 to 124. How to beat a VASCAR speeding ticket on pages 139 to 149. 7 clever ways to beat your speeding ticket without ever cross-examining the police officer on pages 78 to 84. How to beat a moving radar speeding ticket on pages 106 to 113. The one thing you should never do in court that everyone does anyway. Do it and you will lose on page 46. How to use a very powerful federal law to your advantage and almost always win your case every time on pages 153 to 168. Order it today and save over $20 off the normal price. And don't worry, you're still protected by our unconditional 100% money-back guarantee. Remember, you will not take the stand. You will not lie, mislead, or do anything shady. You will not read or research boring laws. You will not memorize anything. You will not prove you were not speeding. You won't even be arguing the facts of your case with these traffic ticket secrets.